Okay, so hello, we are on this table now called Mestar.
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 Yes.
Yes, so would you tell us who are you and what are you doing at Mestar and what is Mestar doing?
Okay, first, my name is Maija and I work at Mestar Kuopio, Oy. And I am työnjohtaja.
Okay.
Okay, and my job is about environment things in our company, and also I take students and something like when someone needs work coaching and work tryout also.
Work tryout.
I am that person you can call in those things.
Okay.
And Mestar is owned by Kuopion kaupunki, city of Kuopio, and we build roads and infrastructure,
And infrastructure,
roads
okay.
and water pipes under the land and so on.
Okay.
And also we have a maintenance. We keep our parks and schoolyards and that kind of things at shape.
Okay.
We clean trashes and so on.
Okay. Okay. Marvelous. And so that's very fantastic you explained. Now the question would be, I will be asking from the international job seekers perspective.
Yes.
Yes, so for me as an international job seeker, perhaps not very fluent yet in Finnish language, or I don't know Finnish at all. What is my chance in finding any opportunity, whether it's a job tryout or volunteer or even a job?
Okay,
itself?
I think that there is opportunity for work tryout because you don't. It is always good if you speak a little Finnish.
Yes.
But we have had workers who don't speak Finnish at all, and we take also them to work tryout. Or if you are a student, you can come to practice with us.
Okay. And how do I get access to this job tryout?
You have to be customer of Työnavigaattori over
okay.
there.
That's employment office.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you contact me,
Okay.
and my information will be in our. There is a.
Here. Yes.
This.
I will provide this
Yes.
information along the company
Yes.
text.
And
Okay.
you can contact me, and then we make an interview. We talk what are the possibilities and when.
Fantastic. This is lovely information.
And I have to say that we work only outside. We have no inside jobs, and we do mainly with our hands.
Fantastic. So we have already got the important information. That's the job tryout. I think we have all the information we need.
Okay.
Maybe just a tip. Now, for someone who is new, has just moved here, maybe a few months, he doesn't speak Finnish at all. Just a tip. How would you advise him to just suit himself so that he can navigate better in the Finnish environment? This is unrelated now to your company. Just a tip.
Just be brave to talk and try. You can try. That's not a mistake, or how we should say that. But I think that most important thing is that you try, and even a few words. And don't be brave what you are. It's okay.
I see. Well, before I conclude, I will tell one thing. Yes, about the opportunity they shared here. Actually, I've also done a job tryout at Työnavigaattori.
Yes.
And I've seen the advantage it gives. Many advantages. Number one, I think that's the biggest opportunity of learning Finnish language.
Yes.
Yeah, because now you'll be working with Finns.
Yes.
You will be hearing it not as it is written in the books, but as people how speak
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Yeah, Tio Navigator really improved my hearing. Yeah, I'm not that good yet, but now at least I can hear and separate the words.
Yes. And
But
you can manage.
I can manage.
You
Yes.
can manage. And I think that most of our workers speak English. It scale is from no English and a good English. But I think that we can make the connection.
Yes.
And translator, we can use always that.
What an
And,
opportunity. Yeah.
When you come to work with us, we show how to do things. And we ask you, we don't ask that, did you understand? Because many times it's things go so fast that you don't get those
don't get
things.
it, yeah.
You have to ask many times, and we tell you as many times as you ask.
Fantastic. What an opportunity. So I don't think I have anything else to add, but briefly was that it is a big chance to learn the Finnish language. You learn the hands-on experience and you connect with
Finnish
the people.
working culture also.
And you also have a chance to learn the Finnish culture, which connects you to the real people.
Yes.
I love this. Yeah. So thank you so much for this
Thank you.
opportunity to speak and for the interview. I believe this information will be helpful to many.
Okay.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it. Thank you so much.